We are more than 3,000 taking part of the MusicBayside Oboe community. Hi everyone, how are you? Welcome one more day to the YouTube channel MusicBayside Oboe. I'm Nuria Cabezas, oboe teacher at the Conservatory of Music in Murcia, in Spain, and today I want to thank you all. This video is dedicated to the entire MusicBayside community because we are already more than 3,000 people taking part of this musical project. Thank you all. As a gift for your support, I announce a draw on Facebook. The reward will be an online 60 minutes oboe lesson. All you have to do is to like the MusicBayside Oboe Facebook page and like and comment on the post naming 3 of your friends. You can find already the publication with the draw on the MusicBayside Oboe Facebook page. On November 21st, 2019, I will announce the name of the winner through a post in a Facebook page. Then I will get in touch with the winner to specify the day and time for the oboe online lesson. Good luck to everyone! You can find more tutorials on the YouTube channel and on the website of musicbayside.com, where all the digital content is available and also the oboe online lessons. Thanks for being there, and I see you very soon in the next video. Welcome to the MusicBayside community. On the website of MusicBayside, musicbayside.com, you will find information on how to get online lessons and personalized attention, and a free subscription to the newsletter. Through the email mail@musicbayside.com, you can get in touch. Share the video and subscribe to the YouTube channel MusicBayside, where you will find new videos every week. Follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram to be tuned. Have you heard about the Patreon platform? If you like the content I'm creating in MusicBayside and you want to support the project with a monthly donation started at $1, you can visit my Patreon page, patreonpage.com/MusicBayside Oboe, where you will find all the information about it. Thanks for being there, and I see you very soon in the next video.